Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at the Majorette City series. So in 2019 Majorette is going to release a whole bunch of new stuff in the City series. In this video though we're going to look at what has been available for several years up until 2018 in this series. I don't have anything of the new stuff yet. So this is one I got as a single car. It is part of a set of 6 cars that are available in single packaging or in 2 packs. So this is the Renault Kangoo in a DHL livery that has an opening hatch in the back. It's got suspension. This is a fabrication of April 2017. You can take a look in the back. It has a back seat, strangely enough. So it's an interior from a passenger or people carrier van. Got the lens headlights, of course. It was in a French packaging, that's why it came with this flyer or leaflet that has all the cars on it that are in the set. I will show all of these. Now, packaging wise, there's 2 possibilities. Put them a little bit further away. The right one I got from Germany, the left one I got from France. So France gets a little bit different packaging. It says premium on the side here, where it says City on the packaging that is used in all other countries. It also has the leaflet in the plastic insert here, whereas the other card does not have that. Original price is the same though. On the back, the French one is from October 2016 packaging date, and the other one from May 2016. So here you can see, as usual, French packaging means SMO on the back, Smoby, the French Majorette importer. So this is a truck. Let's take a look at it. A rig, garbage truck. Sorry, I bumped the camera again. I keep doing that. So a MAN, German truck or rig manufacturer owned by Volkswagen. 187 scale, MAN TGS. So this part opens in the back all the way up, and you have a big space that opens up, nothing in there. You got 2 axles in the back. No suspension on this one. It's got the orange lights on top and a detailed interior. Headlights, nothing in the back though, but it does have a trailer hitch. The other, oh yeah, and then here's the same leaflet that comes with all the other vehicles. I've already shown that. And then here, I'm not going to open up this one because I have it in a 2-pack. So these are 2 packs where the other vehicles are in. So these are packaging date February 2016. Both of them, I think. Yeah. So as you can see, these have been produced for a number of years, unchanged. So here we have the other MAN truck, basically the same, but in a fuel tanker livery. Also has a trailer hitch. And then, more interesting, we got the Porsche Panamera Taxi, 1/64 scale. So it's got suspension, it's got opening doors, taxi on the side, and it has a dark smoked light bar that has to represent a taxi sign, which they did not succeed very well in, I must say. But of course this is a police car also. It's in the SOS cars. And then of course it has a blue light bar, so they had to make something that closes up the two holes in the top, or uses the two holes in the top to attach something to it, but I think they would have done a better job if they just made a sign that says taxi. But anyways, it is what it is. Very nice one nonetheless. Very cool to have a Porsche taxi cab. Cool. And then the other 2-pack. We have a Mercedes rig. This is the Zetros. Here it says in very small printing. So also has 2 axles in the back. Has the orange or yellow lights on top. This one has the snorkel, so it can drive through deep water. Has the things on the side that extend for stability. Even has the air cylinders here for the suspension and the brakes. So there's a lot of details on this casting. Also has a trailer hitch, and then this also functions. So you can lift it up and swivel it and just turn it and unload the container, glass container. And you can even open this up, and if you had some really small bottles, this one, it does open up, but it's clicked in too far, so I can't open it up right now. So if you have some really small bottles, you can drop them in there. So that's a cool feature. It's got a lot of playware in it, play value in it, I mean. And I think this is metal too, this bed. Yes, this is a metal bed, so that's cool. Cab is metal, the white part, and then the base is plastic. So all in all, very nice piece. And then, of course, I've got these. These are called City Set. So I've showed the other two in a previous or a chase report a few chase reports ago. This one I already had. This got the 2018 Porsche 19 Spider version in it with the new wheels. So this is the packaging date of May 2018. Let's look at this way. So this is a flatbed tow truck. So I got the Porsche here, very nice version of it. .161 scale. This does not have suspension, but you know, it's a sports car. Needs to be low down, and suspension usually makes the stance of the car a little bit higher, so we don't want that. And then here is the flatbed tow truck. Again, a MAN. Everything is the same here. 187 scale. All metal, the yellow part, and the bed is plastic. So it slides back and then it tilts. I don't know when it starts to tilt, somewhere halfway I believe. No, a little bit further. Or just not. Oh no, just at the back. It has to slide it completely back. and then it tilts, so just right up here it's still fixated horizontally. So it's got some red stripes here on the bed. So you drive up the car, the nose is a little bit dragging. It's a little bit narrow, so, and then there's some spots to hold the wheels in place. That's cool, it's very clever. And then you can tilt it and slide it forward, and you can tow the vehicle away. So that's nice. It stays on very well because of the slots, so that's cool. You can show the slots here. Here's where the wheels fit in. So that's very nicely done. And then the other ones, got this one, and I recently showed. It's going to be hard to open because there's so much cardboard. Sorry, kick the camera again. So I've got the car already and the plane. Don't care much for it, but I'm going to take a look at it anyways. And it's hard to open. Finally, there it is. Okay, so it's an airplane. It's a Douglas MD-80, whatever that means. It's produced in November 17. It's got tiny wheels on it that, nah, they don't really roll. No, they don't roll. It's full metal, but it's not really that interesting. It's a bit tail heavy too, but maybe that's supposed to be like that because it's a plane. It has to go that way. This is much more interesting. This is the VW Amarok 165 scale, produced February 2018. It has suspension, it has the opening hood or bonnet with a little bit of engine detail in there. VW badge. It's got the light bar, orange one. It says "Follow me" on the back, and it's got a trailer hitch that you can pull out and just slide back in, but you have to be very careful with these because they break very easily, like that. You see it's completely tucked in, and it's kind of a cool feature, but be careful with them because they break easily. And then the last one is this one. So this is another Mercedes Zetrov. Same as basically as this one, but a little bit different in color, of course. It's got blue lights on top, and it doesn't have a glass container in the back. It has the same feature with the crane and the metal bed in the back, so that's everything is the same here. Very cool one. And then we got the trailer, so that's why all of these bases have a trailer, because some of the versions they designed a trailer for. Unfortunately, the bed of this one is plastic. You can see the color difference. I think this tilts, or doesn't it? No, it doesn't tilt because it's riveted here. I thought this would tilt. This does open in the back, so at least it does something. So it's got double axles too, so 5 axles in total. That's a lot. but I would have preferred this to be metal. That would have been way cooler and worth the money too. But anyways, so oh okay, and the ones I don't have, I almost forgot to mention. Oh, I also forgot to show this one, it seems. Wow, jeez. Okay, so this is one from the 2-packs. Oh, the door doesn't close. It's the Renault Traffic. It's got suspension, it's got the headlights, the light bar, separate piece, like all of them are. Got the trailer hitch, electrical service it says, and it's got the sliding door that doesn't really stay shut very well on this one. So this is it, slide it all the way back so it doesn't open very far. It also has a back seat like the Kangoo. That's a cool one. Anyways, this version you can also find in green or in orange in a 3-pack. The green one is in a 3-pack together with this one and with another MAN truck, but with a skip truck version. So it's got a sort of a container on the back, garbage container, that you can lift off with an arm. So that's one 3-pack, and the other 3-pack has an orange version of this together with this orange rig and a orange tractor, a farm vehicle, farm tractor. That's the 2 3-packs I don't have because they're too expensive and they're not worth it. And you know, I already have this one, I already have this one. The tractor I'm not that interested in. I would like to have the other colors of this one and the skip truck too. That's the only one I don't have an example of, the skip truck. But maybe I can pick it up this year, who knows. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.